Hello everyone, good morning. This is Mahesh Shah from Surat. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is for Standard 8, Semester 2, Chapter 2, Environmental Pollution. This is specially for GSCB board. I hope that in last video, Chapter 1, Socio-Religious Reforms, you understood all the things very clearly. Still, if you are having any doubt and you didn't seen that video, then please watch that video. And if you are having any question, you can ask me. So friends, in this video we are going to talk about environment. This is one of the easy chapter, but according to examination many short question and MCQ type of question will be prepared from this chapter. So due to that reason we have to pay attention on this video. As usual, we start with introduction, then after we talk about water pollution, then after air pollution, then after land pollution, noise pollution and exercise. The same chapter you will study in standard 9 also in a detailed form. Here such details are given according to your standard and syllabus pattern. So some of the extra detail we also talk with this uh, details. So I hope that you all are fine and you are liking this video and keep a notebook and pen with you. As I told in semester 1 that whenever you are watching these online videos then keep notebook and pen with you, जिससे जहाँ पे भी आपको लगे कि ये आपको मेंशन करना है तो आप उसको मेंशन कर सकते हैं. So let's start the video. Environmental pollution chapter 2. Okay, so about pollution nowadays we all are very aware about this. We are having many information about different kind of disease. Nowadays we are suffering with coronavirus and we all are sitting at home and studying and working from home. So somehow this kind of things happen due to the human mistake. Now see here, this is one photograph. I'll show you. Then after we discuss the topic. This is the two part of the earth. One is the green earth and another is the completely spoiled and destroyed earth. Now this is the line of limit. When we to achieve, to develop, when we cross this line, ultimately in future we will find this kind of earth. There is no water, there is no fertility in the land, there is a hot atmosphere, global warming, and there is no greenery. So what kind of future you want, that you have to decide, and therefore this chapter is included into your syllabus. Another photo I have, see, one side all the forests are there, wild animals are there, nature is there, and another side in the race of this development we are completely destroying the earth. Now this earth you found uh, 30 40 years before, 50 years approximately, and this earth you will be find after 30 40 years, 50 years. So you have to stay on the earth for a long period. Now this is your decision what kind of atmosphere you want. You want only this kind of rubbish atmosphere or you want this kind of healthy atmosphere. So this is your decision that what kind of earth you want. So this is very sensitive thing to understand because in future you are the future of the country and the world. Now what is the environmental pollution? So in that we include all kind of things, air pollution, see, land pollution, water pollution, this is a water pollution, noise pollution. So these are the things which is very important to understand. Now as per your textbook, development is the right of human beings. It is necessary that whatever the things we have or we had in the past, we should change the scenario. We find the comfort and made the things better and better. But we have to understand what kind of value, what kind of loss we are creating for the future and in the present. It means wherever and in whatever field, if there is an opportunity of development, humans have to right to progress. The Industrial Revolution and the scientific discoveries have opened up vast opportunities for technological advancements and developments. These developments have led to massive changes in human life. Technological advancement have empowered the creativity, which in turn simplified the process of production. Electricity, railways, telephone, vehicles, industries, electronic medias are the important character in the story of development. So this we developed, but what we lost against to achieve this? That is the question. See here, one picture is given in your textbook. Where will we go now? Now, one side we developed industries for our comfort. Nowadays, we are having all kind of facilities, all kind of modern equipments. But what about the birds? We cut all the trees. Now they have no home for them. There is no space remain for their nest. Now they are crying. Now think about yourself that if someone thrown you out to your home, thrown out you to your home, then what would you feel that time? You will cry. So if someone taken your space for living and you felt guilty and you felt anger and you felt sad, then you have no rights to damage someone else's home. See, if you see in the nest of the pigeon in present time, then before a couple of years later, they made from the grass stick, and nowadays they are using steel wires, nails, etc. You will find. This is the observation, friends. आज की डेट में अगर आप देखने जाओगे पिजन का नेस्ट आप चेक करना उसमें तार होगी नेल्स खीले जिसको बोलते हैं वो हो गए यानी अब ग्रास भी उनके पास नहीं है और इस तरह से वो अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं अब सोचो कि अगर आपके साथ ऐसा हो तो आपको कैसा लगेगा सो वी शुड sensitive towards the nature. An unlimited use of natural resources like water, air, and natural vegetation has become the cause of widespread pollution. क्योंकि कांस्टेंट हम उसको यूज़ करते जा रहे हैं और इसकी वजह से पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू मेक एन एफर्ट टू सी एंड अंडरस्टैंड बोथ pollution and development in different contexts since these two phenomena run parallel in the modern times. So we are not thinking that we do not want development. Yes, we want development, but what is the cost of that development? If the cost of the development is the pollution, then ultimately its effect on us in our future. We have to pay. We have to suffer with different kind of disease. Now one side we are earning lots of rupees, lots of money due to the development, and another hand side if we are paying that amount to the doctors and suffering with different kind of disease, what is the meaning of that development? So we have to think about this both. We need this development, but not instead of pollution. In the present times, land, water, air, noise, and space pollution has increased, and its adverse effects could be seen on human life and our environment. The corona is the example of that. Now see the scenario of the whole world. that all kind of development stopped, all kind of human activities have some limit. You are not allowed to meet someone else with the feelings, emotions. So this happened why? Because this blind development, we are not worried about the nature, and that is why when nature started to anger, then nobody stopped to nature. So destroy is the result of that anger. With the industries coming up on a large scale, various kind of pollutant affecting the environment have increased. Among it, water, air and land pollution are the main types. These three are the most important element for the substance of life on the earth. So it is very basic thing that in a whole solar system only the earth have living organism. Reason? Three things: air, water and land. Due to these three elements, the life developed and growth on the earth only. Now, ultimately, if we destroy, if we pollute all the water, all the land, and all the air, then what is the other scope remain for the living organism? How could we sustain our life in future? So this is the thing necessary to think by each and everyone, and that is the concept and learning thing of this chapter. So first we talk about water pollution. Now see, this is the scenario. All the industrial dirty water submerged into freshwater body. This is another photo. See. Now this is the reason of the water pollution. Causes of industrial water pollution: lack of strict policies, using outdated technology. So India is a developing nation. We have to change lots of things. And in that case, if we are not aware about this kind of thing, then in future we are not remain any water for drinking or any other kind of domestic use. See, on a religion name, we are spreading pollution. See all this water pollution, land pollution. Now see, this is the dead fishes due to the pollution. Now all these living creatures also having same rights of living like us, but we make dominance on them. We are not giving importance to their life against our human life. Now see, this is the Mississippi River. The term Mississippi River refers to big river. Mississippi is the largest drainage basin of the entire North America. It is the greatest natural and economic resource for the US. Mississippi River Valley is very fertile agriculture region. Now this river started getting polluted with all agriculture sewage, making surrounding areas of the river mouth as a dead zone. A recent report by a campaign group in 2012 claimed that in the year 2010 about 12.7 million pounds in the river, including poisonous chemicals such as nitrates, benzene and arsenic. Now see the scenario of the river. This is the clean water and this is dirty water which mixed with this river and made whole river polluted. So this is an example of water pollution. Another causes of water pollution. So industries are there, homes, agriculture. These all are submerged their dirty water without cleaning into the fresh water body, and that made the whole water body polluted. Another thing I have definition: water pollution is the contamination of water bodies. For example, lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution occurs when pollutants are directly or indirectly discharged into water bodies without adequate treatment to remove. Now see the scenario. Water pollution caused by marine dumping, industrial waste, sewage, mainly from households, nuclear waste, oil pollution, underground storage leaks. Effect of the water pollution: diseases like cholera, malaria, typhoid, aquatic life gas destroy. So these are the effect of the water pollution. Now see, industries require water, and during the process of manufacturing, water becomes impure, polluted, which is drained into rivers, streams, or on the ground. This chemical infested water pollutes the pure water of a river. Secondly, the water drained on open ground gradually percolates down and pollutes the underground water too. तो ज़मीन के ऊपर जो पानी होता है वो ज़मीन उसको सोख लेती है और इसकी वजह से अंडरग्राउंड वाटर जो है वो भी पॉल्यूट हो जाता है. ग्रोइंग अर्बनाइजेशन इन अदर रीजन बिहाइंड वाइड स्प्रेड पॉल्यूशन. अर्बनाइजेशन, सिटीज़ बड़े हो रहे हैं, पॉपुलेशन बड़ी हो रही है, उनकी डिमांड बड़ी हो रही है, उसकी वजह से जो वेस्ट निकल रहा है वो भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है और इससे पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है. Dirty water from the gutters in urban areas is released into rivers and ponds, which add to the problem of water pollution. Today, even the rainwater gets polluted due to industrialization. Acid rain होता है. The smoke and gases released by the industries mix with the rainwater and pollute it. The dirty water released by industries and factories into rivers, streams and ponds destroy aquatic life. ये देखिए यहाँ पे फिशिस है मरी हुई. Because of excessive pollution in water, the sea water gets polluted due to oil drilling and oil spills. ऑयल कांस्टेंट हमें चाहिए, फिर उसके टैंकर अगर कहीं पे टूट गए और पानी में स्प्रेड हो गया तो वो पूरा पानी पॉल्यूटेड हो जाता है. वाटर पॉल्यूशन causes various diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, loose motion, etc. That is why nowadays people have to carry their own water bottles filled with fresh and filtered water with, the, with them while traveling to office or to school. Many rivers have turned into gutters. This polluted river water is used for agriculture and consequently pollutant enter into food grains, vegetables and fodder. यही जो रिवर का डर्टी वाटर है वही एग्रीकल्चर के लिए यूज़ होता है. उसमें से ही जो भी प्रोडक्ट बनेगी वो हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे तो इनडायरेक्टली वो हमारी हेल्थ के ऊपर इफेक्ट करेगा. People from every class of the society, be it a politician, farmer, industrialist, educated individuals, artists or workers, have a very casual attitude towards the environmental pollution. तो हम इसको सीरियसली नहीं ले रहे हैं. The water from industries should be purified before it is drained into stream or rivers. तो गवर्नमेंट को उसके लिए स्ट्रिक्ट लॉज बनाने चाहिए, बनाने के बाद उसको स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो भी करना चाहिए. As a citizen of the nation, this is our responsibility also to help to the government to restrict this kind of things. Government should implement the pollution control policies properly to control the industries. We should use water in a judicious way. वाटर बहुत कम है, फ्रेश वाटर की क्वांटिटी बहुत कम है. Less than 3% fresh water is available on the earth. 97% water is in the ocean. अभी मैंने एक यूट्यूब पे वीडियो देखा था, सऊदी अरेबिया जो कम्प्लीटली डेजर्ट है वहाँ पे चारों तरफ दरिया यानी ओशन है, पर वहाँ पे फ्रेश वाटर नहीं है. हार्डली पूरे ईयर में 10 डेज़ वहाँ पे रेन होती है, वो भी बहुत कम. तो उन्होंने इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांस कर दी है कि ओशन के फ्रेश वाटर सॉल्टी वाटर को फ्रेश कन्वर्ट करना उन्होंने चालू कर दिया है. उसकी बहुत सारी टेक्निक्स उन्होंने डेवलप की है. बिकॉज बिना खाने के हम लोग 10 दिन 12 दिन रह सकते हैं, पर बिना पानी के हम 2-3 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं जी सकते. दैट काइंड ऑफ वाटर इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर लाइफ एंड दिस इज़ आवर ड्यूटी to conserve this natural resource for the future generation also. The consumption of water is increased, but with that the quantity of the water is also increased. यूज़ बढ़ा रहे हैं पर साथ में क्या क्वांटिटी जो होती है वाटर की वो बढ़ रही है. तो हमारे जैसे डेवलपिंग कंट्री के पास इतना पैसा नहीं है कि हम इतनी कॉस्टली टेक्नोलॉजी को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके. फ्यूचर में क्या होगा हम नहीं जानते, बट राइट नाउ वी आर हैविंग ओनली वन वे, दैट यूज दिस वाटर वेरी केयरफुली. दिस इज़ वेरी प्रेशियस. एक बार पूरी अर्थ के ऊपर से फ्रेश वाटर डिसअपियर हो गया, फिर हमारे पास ऐसी कोई टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है कि हम फ्रेश वाटर को लेबोरेटरी में बना सकें, और होगी तो भी इतनी कॉस्टली होगी कि सबके बस की बात नहीं है. यहाँ पे देखिए एक थिंक है, व्हाट कुड बी डन टू कंजर्व वाटर इन स्कूल एंड विलेज. स्कूल में और विलेज में पानी बचाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, तो ये आपको मुझे टेक्स्ट करके बताना है. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा पॉल्यूशन है वो है एयर पॉल्यूशन. अब डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, ये देखिए बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रीज, कार्स, देखिए प्लेन्स, सब कुछ डेवलप्ड हो रहा है, बट आफ्टर ऑल ये जाएगा कहाँ पे. देखिए ये हमारे नोज़ में जाएगा. ये एयर को ब्रीथ कौन करेगा, हम लोग करेंगे. और ये देखिए उसकी इफ़ेक्ट क्या होगी. पॉल्यूशन कैन कॉज शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ, wheezing, coughing, chest pain, fatigue means थकान. Fine particles can make this condition worse. Cardiovascular and heart disease, asthma and COPD. Ground level ozone pollution can cause difficulty breathing deeply, shortness of breath, sore throat, wheezing, coughing, fatigue. Ozone can make this condition worse, asthma and COPD and emphysema. तो ये सब बीमारी है जो एयर पॉल्यूशन की वजह से होती है. Just like water, air pollution has become a major concern of the world. Industries have developed in every city and in most of the villages. The smoke and gases emitted by the industries mix with air and cause air pollution. Today, the use of mineral oils has increased tremendously. The vehicles running on fossil fuel like petrol and diesels emit smoke and harmful gases like hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide, which merge with the air, and their proportion in air has increased. The proportion of CO2 has increased due to the cutting of trees, which has led to the intense problem of global warming, जो सेमिस्टर वन में भी हमने पढ़ा था. तो कांस्टेंट ट्रीज कट करने की वजह से ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ रहा है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इंक्रीज हो रहा है. Deforestation is another reason behind the increase in the air pollution. Dust particles float in the air due to the depletion of the forest cover and trees. क्योंकि trees और forest है ही नहीं, अब जो dust particle है वो हवा में रोटेट होते रहते हैं. अब उनको कहीं पे कोई रोकने वाला ही नहीं होगा तो वो हमारे ब्रीथ में आएंगे. बड़े बड़े ट्रीज होते हैं तो वो उनको रोक देते हैं. Air pollution causes various diseases such as asthma, breathing problems, lung infection, etc. Dust particles floating in the air lead to diseases like cold, cough, and allergy. There have been instances when animals died due to suffocation caused by excess of pollution. तो एनिमल जब मर जाते हैं, जिनको ब्रीथ करने के लिए एयर भी नहीं मिलती, उसको सफोकेशन बोलते हैं. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एटमोसफियर हैज़ इंक्रीज ड्यू टू पॉल्यूशन. At that time, these poisonous gases mix with raindrops and cause acid rain, which is very harmful for animals and vegetation. To prevent air pollution, it is necessary to make certain rules for the industries and implement them strictly. Equipments that can filter smoke and harmful gases should be developed and installed. Industries that do not allow the norms should be punished strictly by a heavy fine or should be shut down. Environment awareness campaigns should be organized. One should use petrol and diesel in a judicious manner. Use of pollution free fuel like CNG and LPG. ये याद रखना, ये 1 मार्क के आंसर में आ सकता है. नेम द पॉल्यूशन फ्री फ्यूल, तो उसमें आएगा CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquid petroleum gas, will help to great extent. Strict implementation of PUC, pollution under control certificate in vehicles should be implemented. तो ये सब तरीके हैं कैसे एयर पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल किया जाए. सबसे बेस्ट है पॉपुलेशन कम करो. पॉपुलेशन कम होगी तो ऑटोमेटिकली प्रॉब्लम्स भी कम होंगे, पर जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक ये प्रॉब्लम्स बढ़ने वाले हैं. अब इसमें इंडिविजुअली पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. हर एक कोई अपनी ड्यूटी समझेगा, अपनी नीड्स को कंट्रोल करेगा, जितना हो सके सिंप्लिसिटी में लाइफ स्पेंड करेगा, उतना ये पॉल्यूशन कम होगा. जितना हम कंफर्ट जोन में जाने का सोचेंगे उतना ये पॉल्यूशन ज़्यादा बढ़ेगा. और फ्यूचर में जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आपको दिखाया था कि किस तरह की अर्थ चाहिए. अगर ग्रीन अर्थ चाहिए तो अपनी नीड्स को कंट्रोल करो, अपनी अवेयरनेस को बढ़ाओ, कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आओ, तो ग्रीन अर्थ मिलेगी. और कंटिन्यूस आप ट्रीज कट करते रहोगे, डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्रेस के पीछे भागते रहोगे और पीछे मुड़ के नहीं देखोगे, तो फ्यूचर में जो अर्थ मिलेगी वो ऐसी अर्थ होगी जहाँ पे एक ब्रीथ लेना भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज़ योर चॉइस what kind of earth you want. So in today's video we stop here. In next video we talk about land pollution and noise pollution. Very easy chapter and simple chapter is there, nothing much given important to remember in this chapter, but whatever the details are given that is for the awareness, कि हमारे अंदर अवेयरनेस आए, we developed our sensitivity towards the environment, उसके लिए ये चैप्टर आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में है. तो यहाँ पे अगर आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए ऐसा हो तो यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी एंड आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी टॉक अबाउट लैंड पॉल्यूशन एंड नॉइस पॉल्यूशन. So stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, wear your mask, maintain the social distance, and take care of your family also. Thank you. God bless you.